How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to 2000 per month. And you won't need any skill, you will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service to those business owners. So we will just work as a intermediate between the business owners and the freelancers. But we're going to get paid from $200 to $2,000, and we will pay the freelancer from $25 up to $100 maximum. So let's get into it, guys, and let's start showing you the step-by-step process of how you can do that. So here, first of all, make sure to choose the United States in your Google Maps, because that's the country we're going to work on. It's the best market that we can apply this method to. So here, let's just zoom in on the country and make sure to choose a state that you're going to start with. For example, let's choose the city of Dallas. Here, just zoom in on the city and like that. Then go to the search, then type plumbers or hairstylists or hairdressers or some other type of small businesses that we could find in this city. So for example, I'm going to go with hairstylers. Let's just search for hair to see what we can find. So here we have Infinity Salon, which is sponsored and has less than 6 reviews and has just 6 reviews, and this is a very good target for us because they're sponsoring the business and they've got only 6 reviews. That means they have just started this salon, which means they will be eager to receive more good reviews for the salon, and also they will be eager to remove the bad reviews that they have. And you can also search for the others, but make sure to always avoid the businesses or the profiles that has sponsored in them, and also the businesses that has more than 100 reviews. But for this time, this one has just started the salon, which means it's a very good target for us. So let's check his profile first. So here, let's wait for it to load. So this is the profile of this salon. This is their website. Let's check if their website needs any renovation. So this website looks very updated, as you can see. Find out about Wendy, her mission, her experience, and what makes her passionate about serving you. And this is where you can book an appointment with them. Let's see if they've got their social media. They only have a Facebook account, which is somehow bad, and it's not even working. That's something we can offer them. We can offer to manage their social media accounts. We can also apply the same method, getting the client, then sourcing the job to some freelancers. So here we've checked their website. Let's see if we can find some bad reviews about them. Great haircut, Wendy is totally talented. This review is 5 years ago. A year ago, 5 stars. Let's look for the 3-star reviews. Here, scrolling down. This is a 3-star review, but they didn't write anything. So here we can offer them the service of getting them more good reviews and also helping them rank in the top of the results without even having to sponsor their profile in Google Maps. And also we can offer them the service of managing their profiles in social media accounts. So here, for doing that, as I said before, you won't need any skills. You'll just go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform you'd like to work with, and any service you promised the business owner to deliver, you'll just come to fiverr.com and then go to the search and search for that service, and you'll find a lot of freelancers that will do that service for less than what you've got paid to do it. So for example, if Infinity Salon paid us $200 to make them rank in the top of the search results and also to help them get more good reviews, we'll just come to Fiverr and we will take the $200 and we will pay someone like this freelancer $25 to do all of those services for us. So that will leave us with $175 to take with us home. And you will do the same again. You will just multiply the method with the other business owners, but as I said, make sure to avoid the ones with more than 100 reviews. So here, let's scroll down to see if you can find someone with less than 100 reviews, like this one here by Arensman. Let's click on it to see. So here, this one doesn't have a website, or they have one. Let's check their website, see if it's up to date or needs some renovations. We can do that for them. This is their website. It's up to date. As you can see, it's not that bad, but so this is their website. So we can't do anything with the website, as you can see. Let's scroll down to see their socials. So they've only got, let's see their Instagram, if they have someone managing their Instagram or not. We can offer that as a service as well, to manage their social media accounts. So I think they've got someone to manage their Instagram. As you can see, it looks a little bit professional, but they don't have the icons that you can have in here. So it seems like the owner is the one that managing her Instagram herself. So we can offer that as well as a service. So here, let's go back and let's see if we can find some bad reviews that we can use in order to convince them to purchase our service. And in regard of pitching them, or how we can land the business owner to be our client, you'll just go to their Instagram and send them a message, or you can just cold call them directly. So that's it, guys. I guess you get the idea of this method. I hope you try it first and you do some hard work when looking for these business owners. And the hardest part is to find or to get the first client. Once you get that first client, it will be easier to multiply the method and get more clients. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.